My name is Diana Daisy from Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. We are resting because the sun is too much. Actually, it's still early in the morning hours, and the sun is too much. You see, the babies are here; they are sleeping. So I wanna go and cook eggs, and then I want to show you how hot is there. So I will get out of here, going like I don't want them to hear me because they're still relaxing. It's super hot. I don't know how many degrees. I'll download the degrees, then I'll let you know. So they are here relaxing. You see these cute babies? They are here resting, and they are here. You see? So there they are, and they are resting themselves. So in case you already woke up, she's there. Kenzie. So like they are here. So like all of us, and we're resting. So let me go and prepare something. So let me go. I'm going to cook eggs with this son. I wanted to try out this. Look at this. He's sleeping. It's a good baby. Look at this. Okay, let me come. Oh, there's another one there working. So guys, I'm coming here, and that is Esther's house, mom. And this is the kitchen. So I want to come in the kitchen. I'll take eggs. Hi Esther. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay. You have the egg for me. I want to try and cook the egg with this son. So let me see how it is. Esther, help me with the cooking oil. My God, this is super hot. This is the oil. I didn't know. Okay. Help me that. Hold for me here. So guys, point it here inside. I want to show you guys the sun is super hot, and I want to try this experiment and do. Oh my God, I'm even not going to put. Oh my Genzi, guy, can you show them? This is it. Yes, that is the sun. Oh my God. So I think when you leave it here, I'll have to leave it. Genzi, come see. La. Oh my God, you can see the degrees. Okay, what I'm trying to say, this is the hotness of this place. And this is how the sun looks like. Oh my God, see now, things are falling. Come see.
It's very
hot,
man.
That is the egg.
Oh, yeah.
It's still cooking. Oh my God, that is the egg that is cooking. So I'll give it some time, and I'll see what will happen. Okay, let me put the salt as I go to do my things, because I also want to go and put water. Is it water?
Water?
Not water. I want to drink water.
It's hot, man.
Yes. So I want to go and take water for myself, and then come back and check it after some few minutes, because you're doing it raw and cut. So what you're doing is I'm giving it some time there and see actually how can you define the sun of this place.
Hey, this is my first time. They've been saying that in Sudan
there's hotness,
it's heat, there's heat, but here I don't think. Until
it's too much hot.
Headache.
Yeah,
and I was inside. I was staying inside. Yeah,
but actually this is how they preserve water. Esther, how did you show me? How do you guys preserve the water?
To make it cold.
Yes, this is how they preserve the water actually. This is how
these people are used. It's like they don't care about sun.
Can you see? Can you check it? You see how they preserve the water?
Yeah. You see, this is how they make the water. This is a can, then they put this cloth. They keep on pouring water on this. Then they put
and
it
it's super
inside
cold.
It's
Actually,
cold.
these are heavy Out, is it a heavy outfit?
Clothes.
Clothes. So then you put the water there and then you keep on pouring.
Yes.
And I heard someone here, you guys, you said you take 5 liters. Is it how many liters we supposed to?
6.
People take 5 liters at night, 5, during the day 5. But the goodness of God, they
No,
have.
I think every human being has to drink 2.5 liters or 1.5 liters
Yes.
a day.
Yeah.
1.5 liters.
I also have my bottle here, but mine is already finished actually. Look at mine. It's super hot. What it says here? You guys have goats?
They don't steal them?
We had in the beginning, but they were
sold
sold
them.
on.
You sold them?
So that they can pay school fees.
Oh, okay.
So now we don't have this day.
And you kept this house here. You kept this house here so that in case you get the other ones, we put them here. If, in this place, people don't steal. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm going to check on the. Actually, let's go and check on the egg first. Stop pinching me. Come, Singenzi. Though it is not cooked like that of the heat. But Esther, this one cannot be eaten.
Oh, you can eat it.
No.
Imagine. Hey, this place is so hot.
Oh my God. So this one is getting on the sun because of the sun. So the sun is sucking it. So you can put it here. Oh my God. Basically, I need to know what degrees is this sun? Is it what degrees?
36.
Is it 36? 36?
No.
That's the sun. No, 36 is cold. Because Nairobi, there's the time it was.
46, 42.
Yeah. Yes. And imagine people have been, and there's no fans. Yes, Ngenzi. There's no fans, there's no what?
It's 58.
58.
Hey.
What?
Oh my God. It's super hot. It's like even Dubai. And just like.
I think it's more than even Dubai. I never seen that. I've been hearing it on TV. Hey, we are, or my people telling me we are at 50 something degree. Imagine 50.
Yeah, it's very sweating actually.
Oh.
Everyone is sweating here. And actually, that's when you go and in the market, you find people, they don't have clothes. Actually, I'll show you when I'm You go to, I know someone, you got my attention because he's removing clothes and there are women here. So he's showing us his private parts. He's showing us the private parts and I'm wondering, why is he showing us the private parts?
He's not well mentally, maybe.
Maybe he's not well
He's
mentally.
drunk.
Yes, that's why. And actually one thing I also noticed, people here cannot survive with, these shoes. They have the shoes from, how do you call it?
These tires.
Yes.
Car tires.
Yes, they have tires.
Yeah.
So they have really big tires. So, I wanted to show you guys the magnitude of this sun and how it looks and how it is. Look at the chicken. They are fighting. And yet even the kitchen is not yet lightened up. Oh, I need to take these ones here in the kitchen. I want to look like a good girl. Take here. Okay.
What?
Even this one. Get out, dogs. Look at the dogs. How to put it here. See how the kitchen is not yet cleaned up, so we have to come clean it so that we can prepare the breakfast and eat. This the pan for Mama Esther for cooking. So then we need to come and sweep the kitchen, cook and prepare. We light up the fire also so that we can cook. Okay, you've seen here. Yes, so that we can cook. So I was returning the, how do you call it? Esther, can someone eat this one? Let me see whether it has been good. Yeah, it is continuing being good. I give it to the dog.
Esther is saying that that one is thinks it's not ready because it was cooked by a son.
By her. She thinks it's not well ready.
Give it to the dog.
Yes, we give it to the dog. So guys, actually, I'll show you how hotness is making everyone dress in this village. I want to show you the magnitude of this hotness in this village, okay? So we are going to do, I want just to have a quick tour in the village, and I'll show you how people are dressed like out there because of the hotness. And then I will okay, let me just go. Let's go and see. So guys, I even didn't go far. This is what I was telling you. See this person already? How he looks like, how he's dressed like. I don't know whether you can see him clearly. It's because of sun. It's super hot. So that is how he's dressed like. That is his outfit. This is Ali's shop. Oh, that is Ali's shop. Ali, I got a friend. Let me say hi because I am leaving. And we might... Yes, I have seen him. We might not end up being here. Ali, I'm leaving. Yes. Bye. I wanted to say bye. Okay, say hi to my people. Say hi.
Say hi.
Ah. Okay, so he has a shop there. Bye. Actually, almost the last day for me. Yeah, so you saw whatever I was telling you. So I'm going to record every incident. I'll be showing you how they're dressing up here. We didn't even go far. That's another thing that I was telling you. The outfit. The skirt. How... Hi, Jambo. Uko msuri? Yes. That's the other person I was telling you. Also he's dressing. Oh, he's saying he doesn't know that language. He doesn't understand Swahili. Oh, at least I've seen kids going to school. They have started embracing school. Wow, that is so good. It feels good seeing someone studying. Guess you saw that one? How many are dressing in lesos, shuka, shawls. So that?
There's another one coming there, over there.
Is she?
I don't know if we are going to meet here.
No. This,
Dressing.
for women, it's good to wear those one. And actually, even I think that's why women dress like. Here, it's hard to see someone wearing full trouser, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there is.
I look at the guy washing the shoes there.
Yes. I might actually, let me go touch that water and feel if it's cold. So you can see this guy that is washing himself here. He's just trying to cool himself. Zuri. Sasa. Ooh, the water is hot. Maji moto. La. Huku kuna joto sana. There is too much hot. Okay. See guys, I wanted to show you how that man is dressed like I want to take every incident and show you. It's not just the culture, but it's just the hotness of this place. I've seen actually another man, and people are so idle because there is no jobs here. So what they do in this market, they just sit down there chewing cards and drinking. No, they don't drink alcohol, but just chewing cards. Too much. Let's go, guys. Let's go, family. Oh, you guys are living here, but from here I don't know whether I can know the directions. There's other people there. I can't know, even if it's my 5th time. I'm not ignoring. So that's the other sphere. You see how they are. So so guys, yeah, we just saw another person over here, but now I don't know whether be able to showcase. Oh my god, I had not seen it. Okay, there's just a lot. That's why it's taking long. There's just a lot. Like I had to pass by in the city and in town. Actually, this is the capital city. Oh, not the capital.
CBD.
This is the CBD of Longayani. Longai?
Longia.
Esther, what's the name of this town? Longai?
Longainan.
Or Lingayani? Loyangalani. And your sister is not here? Oh, guys, see now all this is hotness. Can you say it's hotness? How do you call it? They're relaxing. So you see, even these ones, the ones that are following us. Esther goes to say bye, hi to everyone. That's the sister. I just see someone removing the, how do you call it? Mucus, see now, and then he had to wipe even with the shoe. See, he's wiping with the shoe.
That's real.
That's the culture of this place.
That's real.
Oh my God, oh. It made me feel happy. Wow. Let me tell you, I was telling Genzi, here you can't try to put a grass on your teeth. Grasses are very healthy here. Oh, there's also other guys, you see others. This is all because of, okay, this is a police car. Finally, at least we have a police car. Is it a police car? Okay. Wow. That is so good. Who is that? You can see other people also there, guys. They are seated here because this is because of the lack of employment, and then the curtains they don't have. Some of them are trying to embrace the culture of going to educate their kids, because I told you Esther is the most leading here for school. Even the schools, they don't have people. This all because of whatever they are doing, because of idleness. Yeah, basically you can see that is Turkana for you. We are sweating. I even regret why I didn't carry the sunscreen, because the UV is too much. But I don't have that sunscreen. So in case I'm traveling, especially if I'm traveling outside Kenya, I'll also be carrying sunscreen with me. That is #1 reason of whatever I'll be doing. Esther, please, this is our last video with you. Please say hi to people.
Hi.
Yeah, and tell
bye to people.
Bye.
Say hi and bye.
Hi.
Tell them that you will miss them.
We will miss you.
But of course, when you're coming again, we will meet up and talk, right?
Yeah.
Because I know you'll come again.
Yo.
But these ones don't look as if they are from here. They look different. Hi, how are you? You're good? Yeah, I'm also good. You look at that. Those ones, they don't look as if they are from here. Him is good. He's feeling hot, I know.
Esther knows how to use camera.
Yeah, he knows. She knows. She knows how to use camera.
You'll buy me one, and then when I come back here, I collect
videos.
Yes, and then I sell.
It's still hot.
Why can't you collect?
No, you collect and then you'll be shooting for yourself.
Yes, you will make for me my channel.
You can start with your phone.
Not
Oh
now.
my God, that is
You can use your phone.
He has water at his back.
Is it water?
Look at this.
or
These are
beer?
young boys.
Look at that one. That.
Why is he sleeping like that? Why is he sleeping? Oh my God,
He's
look
always
at this.
there.